quick video to explain the immobilizer on the Vodafone Automotive AK4698 with the immobilizer pack. Now, the immobilizer is on, you know it's on, the LED here is flashing. The immobilizer is going to self-arm either within 2 minutes of turning the ignition off or after 2 minutes after you've disarmed the alarm. Now, to turn the immobilizer off, quite simply turn the ignition on. You'll find it won't crank right now. The light's still flashing. And then hit the lock button. Once you hit the lock button, the light goes out, you can start the car. That simple. However, if you choose to go for the optional driver's card here, you don't need to disarm the immobilizer so long as this is in the vehicle on you. It will know, the immobilizer won't arm, or if it does arm, it disarms as soon as your ignition turns off. Highly recommended. It's another layer of security and it protects your car if the keys get stolen. For more information, check out vehiclesecurity.co.nz.